Hi, I'm Jacob Clarkstone, and this is the Chili Pepper Challenge. I'm about to eat a handful of these dry, whole red chili peppers with 40,000 heat units per. Let's see how it goes. And a fruit punch chaser, my really cool juice pouch. So, let's do this. God, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna have to run.
Can we just get a shot inside the mouth there? One more. It's hot?
It's hotter with this. It's almost over. God damn, that sucked.
Let's see inside your mouth. It's all gone.
I hate life right now.
Are your eyes watering? Wash your hands.
It burns so bad. I feel like I need to eat a stick of chapstick.
What is that gonna do?
Stop the burning.
Go right to the freezer. You know there's a dispenser on the other end.
So 40,000 heat units is pretty serious, huh?
Yep.
Where's my money?